Thousands of years ago, in the bustling streets of Athens, a young man walked alongside his teacher. He asked, "What is justice? Who should rule? Can ordinary people govern themselves?" That young man was Aristotle, and his teacher was Plato. Their questions didn't just shape their city, they shaped the very way we think about politics today. Welcome to the Learning Studio. This is our political science series, and in this episode, we begin the first section, History and Development of Political Science. Today we'll explore ancient political thought, the foundations of justice, governance, and ethics through the ideas of Plato, Aristotle, Confucius, and Kautilya. And don't forget, in our next episode, we'll travel into the medieval world to see how religion and divine authority transformed political thinking. Plato, 427 to 347 BCE. In his masterpiece, The Republic, Plato imagined an ideal state where justice meant everyone fulfilling their proper role. Distrusting democracy, he believed society should be led by philosopher-kings, wise rulers guided by reason rather than passion. Even today, when people argue whether leaders should be experts or representatives of the masses, they are echoing Plato's dilemma. Aristotle, 384 to 322 BCE. Aristotle, Plato's student, took a more practical route. He called politics the master science because it organized every part of life. After studying constitutions, he classified governments and favored a balanced system where neither the rich nor poor dominated. His legacy lives on in comparative politics and constitutional design. Confucius, 579 BCE. Meanwhile, in China, Confucius was shaping politics through ethics. For him, the strength of a ruler came from virtue and moral example, not force. Order, respect, and harmony were the keys to good governance. His teachings still influence Asian political culture, reminding us that politics is not just about laws, it's also about character. Kautilya, 4th century BCE. In India, Kautilya, advisor to Chandragupta Maurya, wrote the Arthashastra, a manual of statecraft, economics, and diplomacy. Unlike Plato's idealism or Confucius's morality, Kautilya focused on realpolitik, spies, alliances, warfare, and pragmatic rule. That's why many call him the Indian Machiavelli, though he lived centuries earlier. What ties all these thinkers together is their quest to answer the same timeless questions. What is justice? Who should rule? How can society stay stable and fair? These are the roots of political science, ideas from the past that still guide debates today. And that wraps up ancient political thought. From Plato's philosopher-kings to Kautilya's spies, from Aristotle's constitutions to Confucius's harmony. In our next lecture, we'll move into the medieval era, where politics became inseparable from religion and morality. We'll meet St. Augustine, Thomas Aquinas, and great Islamic thinkers like Al-Farabi and Ibn Khaldun. Don't forget to subscribe, check the playlist link below, and join us as we decode the story of political science, one era at a time. This is the Learning Studio, where learning never stops. See you in the next episode.